presented by St. James School and College. So students, I am here again with a new topic. This is your chapter 2nd. I talked to you before this about this chapter, but today I am here with the exercises of this chapter. Okay? Students, you know very well what is noun, singular and plural form. And today I will tell you about your book exercise. So your first exercise A is you have to make the singular of plural form and plural of singular form. What is given in your book? So first is given brush. Please, singular form has given and you have to make the plural form. Brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Only you have to add E-S. Next, match. Singular form has given. You have to make the plural form. What will be there? Matches. Okay. Next is mice. Means plural form has given. You have to make the singular form of this. What will be the singular form? Mouse. Okay. Next, dwarf. Dwarf, singular form has given. You have to make the plural form of this. You know very well. We will replace F with VES. Dwarf. Okay. Next, plural form has given. You have to make the singular form. Dwarf. Now, singular form of dwarf. D-R-A-W-E-R. Okay. Next, dress. Singular form. Plural form will be D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Dresses. Okay. Next, hooves. Plural form has given. You know very well. When F will be given, we will replace F with VES. If in plural form VES has given, then in singular form we will replace VES with F. Then spelling will be who. Okay. Next, wife. Okay. Niece, nieces. Next, lilies. And we will replace IES with Y. L-I-L-Y. Lily. And in plural form, we will replace Y with I-E-S. Okay. Now the next exercise B. You have to modify the underlined words. Okay. You have to make the plural form of those underlined words. जो underlined words है वो सबके plural form में वो सबको change करना है. और अगर उस plural form के अकॉर्डिंग सेंटेंस में कोई दूसरा change भी है तो आपको necessary changes भी करने हैं. I have underlined the sentences which are modified. First sentence is the children could not throw the hoopla rings around the toys. Second, the unripe mangoes taste so. Okay, which are underlined words, these all are modified. The coach gave an instruction to the players. Next, the trains have the long coaches. Then fifth, the sun hides behind the mosquitoes bite the buffalo. Okay. 7. The horror stories. यहाँ सब में सिंगुलर फॉर्म दिए हुए, I make it plural. Stories and stories had the ghosts and the frightened men. Next and last, my cousins and I are making the sandwiches for breakfast. Okay, sandwiches has been underlined. Now exercise C. Same thing is here. Plural form has been, you have to make them similar, which are underlined. So I have underlined all the words which are modified. The bird in the sky can be seen from the ground. Second, the plate, cup and saucer on shelf is broken. Third, the boy fell off his bicycle. Fourth, the teacher is happy to see the student. Scores the good marks. Remember that only I have underlined those words which are modified. Okay. 5. The singer sang lively song for the audience. Next, I saw snake, giraffe and deer in the forest. 7. The child drew boat, mountain and flower on a sheet of paper. Next, this watch show the wrong time. I modified watch because जब यहाँ पे watches दिया हुआ था तो यहाँ पर these दिया हुआ था. So I make this in similar form. That's why I underline it. Next, जो भी sentences हैं उसमें जो underline words, जो sentences है उसमें जो भी correction necessary corrections हैं वो आपको करने हैं. ओके, तो सेंटेंस में जहाँ भी मिस्टेक है वो मैंने यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिया है कि उसमें जो चेंज है वो यहाँ मेंशन है, आपको सेंटेंस में फाइंड आउट करके उसे चेंज करना है. तो केवल मैंने यहाँ पे चेंजेस लिखे. फर्स्ट में फिशेस दिया हुआ फिश होगा. सेकंड, सीजर हैज गिवन, सीजर्स विल बी देयर. नेक्स्ट, स्ट्रॉबेरी हैज गिवन, स्ट्रॉबेरीज विल बी देयर. नाइफ हैज गिवन एंड नाइफ्स विल बी देयर. Fifth, furnitures has given, furniture will be there. Sixth, spectacle has given, spectacles will be there. Next, advices has given, advice will be there. And last, pupils has given and people will be there. Okay? You have to do this according to you. Next, you have to underline the uncountable noun and encircle the countable noun. Umbrella is countable noun, so we will underline it. Next, socks. Socks is also countable noun. Underline it. Encircle it. Woman, countable noun. Encircle will be rat. Encircle. Coffee, we can't count the coffee, so underline will be there. Milk, underline. Baker, encircle. Next is toothpick. We can count toothpick, so we will encircle it. Okay. Next, mouse. This is countable. encircle it. Next is dentist, a person. So we will encircle it. Ox is also countable. Encircle. Teacher, encircle will be there. Next, rice. We can't count the rice, so we will underline it. Tooth, we can count this, so encircle it. Next, goose, we can count it, encircle it. Sand, we can't count, so underline it. House, we can count, encircle it. Next, floor, we can count, underline it because it's a surface. Bangles, we can count it, so underline it, encircle it. Next, water cannot be counted, so underline it. Next, consider will be encircled. So students, you are now well known about the singular and plural form of the noun, and these are your book exercises, so you all have to solve in your book and practice at your home. So students, that was all about your singular and plural form. Stay safe at your home. Good day.